I'm here in the sweeper as I normally do. I'm going around the track getting it cleaned up for our New Year's Eve drift day, and I noticed something quite peculiar which has got me worried ever so slightly. If you look as we come around here, there are generally a couple of bits of the track that are always wet. They always have just a little bit of water on them. Whenever it's been wet, the groundwater seeps up back through the track, which has never been an issue, but today I just noticed, where is it? Right here, there is a bump there. I don't know if you can quite make that out. Right there, there's a bump, which would suggest that our porous tar has got blocked up. And I'm a bit worried because that is quite a big bump and it's right in the middle of the big corner. I'm a bit worried that that is going to start catching wheels in the underneath of cars and break. So I'm going to go and have a closer inspection of that and see what I can do, if anything. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I'm going to go have a look at it. Let's see what we can see. It's quite tricky to see. Definite rise in the track here. Just there. It's a good few inches higher, which is not ideal. So this is normally a porous bit of the track where the water comes up through the ground. So my only thoughts are that the pressure is building up, that all these holes are blocked and the pressure is building up underneath it, and I reckon it's probably worth drilling a hole in it, but as bad as that sounds, I don't really like the idea of drilling a hole through the track, especially on such a heavily used bit of the track, huge amount of traffic. So yeah, I'm gonna go get a drill. Might just be like a big spot once you burst it, then it'll go down and we'll be all right, but yeah, gonna go and get a drill. So I've got my glorious assistant here with his large rotating rod, and I think drilling a hole in this big pimple thing is going to be the best idea, try to release the pressure.
This isn't good.
What do you think is going to happen?
Hopefully a nice teaser would...
Well, it'd be good for the video. Yeah. I'm just hoping that there's something obvious, like there is some water, so let's drill a hole in it. Oh, that's nasty! Oh, my track! What? Oh. Yeah, there we go. That's right. That's weird, eh?
Well, at least it worked as expected.
Yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty worrying, I'll be honest with you. I've not seen that happen before in the 5 years that we've been here. It's definitely going down.
Probably do with a heavyweight vehicle.
Yeah, maybe bring the sweeper down and park it over it. Yeah, let's go get the sweeper. It's quite satisfying. So satisfying! So Stuart's went and got one of our heaviest, slowest vehicles, the sweeper. It's about 3.5 tons, this thing. Let's see what happens. So there we have it. Drift tracks are like teenagers and have big huge pimples that have this much inside them. There's still more there, to be fair. So hopefully now it's not going to completely disintegrate tomorrow at the drift day, which would be terrible, terrible news. So yeah, I Another day in the life of a drift track owner. Thanks everybody, that was a little short behind the scenes video. If you liked that, do a little share, subscribe, like, all those sorts of things. Hit that little pesky bell thing, get the notifications. We made it to 7,000 subscribers last night. Thank you very much everybody. All of our Patreon supporters, everybody who's subscribed. Tell your friends, share with everybody. Let's make this thing even bigger and stupider than it is already. Cheers! Hey everybody, thanks for watching. That was an absolute bunch of nonsense. I'm not sure why we filmed that or
why you're still watching.
But thanks for getting to the end. If you want to see more, do subscribe, hit that bell button. Whoa, bells, like the YouTubers do. And we'll see you next time.